Okay, so let's have a look at the sales and marketing reports that are built into Get Booked Up Professional Edition. Basically what they allow you to do is get the numbers that you need to make informed decisions. There's a series of built-in powerful reports just a few clicks away, and they give you very accurate numbers so that you can check which marketing campaigns working and find where, for example, your repeat customers are actually finding your telephone numbers from. So let's have a look under the reports section here. And there's a set of standard reports, standard invoice reports, standard job reports, and standard paid invoice reports. If we just have a look at the standard job report one for now, you can choose from the drop down list the period that you want to analyse, or you can change the dates here and choose them manually. You can look at all client types, or choose to look at just the various client types, so domestic for instance. And then we've got a series of reports here about new clients, or repeat clients, or referred clients. So let's have a look at this second one for the moment. So we've got jobs by telephone number source for new clients. So if we click this report, what you find is that it gives you all the telephone number sources on the left that have been used and selected from the drop down list in the client records. It gives you a total count for how many jobs there are for each one. It gives you the percentage of your jobs that they are individually there. It gives you the sum net value of sales for each of those. What that represents is a percentage of your turnover, and then for me what's most interesting is the average job value from those sources. So what this allows you to do is not only see the sales that you've had, but the average job value. Now that's important because your average job value shouldn't vary much from the different sources. So if one's particularly pulling a really good result, you can perhaps have a look at what's different about the advert or the area that it's going to, and then you can drop some of the ones that are lower performing and increase more of the ones that are higher performing and pull in the bigger average job values. So this report is all the new customers, where did they get your telephone number from? So let's just close that one down. And you can get the same reports for repeat and referral clients as well. So if we just have a look at the one for repeat clients, you can find that the BT classified, one person went back to the BT classified to find your number this time. So the reason that's important is, unless you're actually capturing the telephone number source, you don't really know where your work's coming from. It may be lazy to leave the contact source as repeat. Now that doesn't tell you where they've actually got the number from, so you may well be about to bin a directory advert that you're getting quite a bit of repeat and referral work through, but you don't realise because they're marked off as repeat or referral clients and you've not marked off a telephone number source. So by having this report, it allows you to get that extra level of detail and see exactly how much money and revenue is coming from each form of advertising that you're doing. Now as well as that, we can also track on here a job summary for all jobs. So if we click that report, and what that does is it does exactly what it says and summarises those. So it totals everything up and it says how much new referral and repeat business have you done, the job count for those, the percentages of those, so you can instantly see the split here is 55% repeat and referral work and 45% new. It splits those average sales as well, so you can see your average job values. And although this is just some dummy data, that's probably quite accurate in our carpet cleaning business ourselves. The average job value of a repeat client is a little bit lower than the average job value of new and referral clients. And the reason for that is repeat clients for us are often a repeat purchase quite shortly after having had an initial larger job done. But it just allows you to analyse all this sort of information. So if we just close that one down as well. A couple of other reports in here as well. If you've got technicians, you can see a technician retail sales report. If the items are set up as retail items and you add them to jobs, and it's all related in the background. And also a retail sales summary, so a total of retail sales that you've made if you're choosing retail items off the list. You can get exactly the same reports. These are based on jobs, but you can get exactly the same reports for invoices. So if you want to see jobs are perhaps for a work in progress figure and invoices for actual sales figures, depending on how you want to work that. Most people tend to use jobs because they close them off quite quickly. Some people prefer to use invoices. The choice is yours. The reports are there in the same format for all three. So that's it. That covers the job reports that you can get out of Get Booked Up. If you need any help in analysing those as they come out, don't hesitate to give us a call and we'll talk you through them. I think they're pretty self-explanatory. So that's standard reports that are available in Get Booked Up Professional Edition.